when we looked at the older generation and how they reacted, and Gerald, and kind of the capitalist, individualist part of characters of the play, how they reacted to the idea that the inspector could have been a hoax. They did not learn their lesson. They were not impacted by what had happened. Now, Sheila and Eric take a different approach because they remember what they did. It doesn't matter who they did it to. It doesn't matter if it was the same person. What they understand is that they committed a sin against a member of the proletariat and that was wrong. And Sheila is disgusted by her parents and she says they're beginning to pretend again. And it's this idea that she can see through. She exposes the pretense. She says her mother's beginning to put on airs. She calls Gerald the fairy prince. She can see through the wall now. She is a character who cuts into their callous misanthropy now. And she is truly starting to mirror the inspector, even when the inspector is not around anymore, which shows us that there has been a real change to Sheila's character. And then Eric says we all helped kill her. And this idea of all shows this idea of collective responsibility. He can see the chain of events. He knows that there have been many millions of members of the proletariat that have been affected by their actions. And he says he doesn't care about the idea of a joke, a bluff, a hoax. He truly believes that we all helped kill her, and this kind of constant collective use of collective pronouns tells us that he sees truly the collective responsibility. And the fact is that the younger generation learn, and that we as the audience also can learn a lesson to embody the message of the inspector, which is a message of collectivism and socialism, philanthropy and compassion. And that is what will take us to a society of political progression, and what will allow us to disrupt, dismantle and destabilise the callousness that exists and the injustice that exists already.